Today, this shit serious. We talking about hairy coochie. You know what I mean? The cat is furry, it's fluffy. There's 3 reasons why girls should not have a hairy cat. There's 3. So ladies, pay attention. Niggas tell me if you agree, of course. Number 1, the shit is not cute. Like, oh, he gonna play with my hairs. No, bitch. No. I'm gonna get a weed whacker and just... Don't no nigga wanna see hairs coming out the sides of a girl underwear. That shit ain't cute. Don't no nigga wanna see a wet spot on the girl underwear. He asks where it come from and you say sweat. Like, what, nigga? Where'd it come? Number 2, that motherfucker smell, bruh. Like shit. Like, it smells worse than niggas. I don't want to be cuddling in the bed after we have sex and I smell your motherfucking stench. The fuck, nigga? Number 3, if it's hairy, it's scary. And if it's hairy, I'm gonna tell you your wife. More of the story is, shave your shit, nigga. Damn. But I'm gonna give you some advice real quick. If you gon' have a hairy pussy, if you choose to, just if you choose to, you better cut that motherfucker off. The next time that nigga run up on me, next time that nigga jump on me, I'm gonna put a gat on his ass and I'm popping the nigga in the face. And nigga's gonna die today. Alright now, if you gonna have a hairy pussy, you better porn star the fuck out that motherfucker. Put some shapes in it, write your name, put my motherfucking initials, edge that bitch up a little, fade that bitch. If you're gonna have it, then rock that bitch. Make sure that's the cutest motherfucking thing ever. Have that shit lined the fuck up, ready to go, on fleek, 24/7.